All right, to expand and condense, I guess I'll do expanding first. To expand, it's here. Expand each logarithm. Remember, so expanding and condensing call upon rules that you need to know for the test. To expand, the rules will be you have to identify the pieces that exist. Right now, expanding, it is in condensed form. 15, I'm going to do 15. It is in condensed form, meaning there's only one log. I'm going to expand it out to multiple logs depending on how many pieces exist. In this case, there's A is a piece, so that's 1. B is a piece, that's 2. That tells me that after I'm done expanding this, I will have 2 logs, because each piece, A and B, this log is holding both of those, but each of those things it's holding will get its own log with base 7 in this case. I have to do some math before I do that. Exponent rules, A and B are considered bases in this situation because they're being raised to the power of 3. When that happens, again, power raised to power, you multiply the powers. So I'm going to clean this up before I even do the logarithmic properties. A is technically raised to the 1. Power raised to power, you multiply 1 times 3. Now it is A to the 3rd. And then B is raised to the 2. 2 times 3 is 6. That is just exponential or exponent properties. You should already know those. Now we're getting into the expanding of the logarithm. Again, I have low battery. That's not good. I'll have to finish quickly. This is a piece and this is a piece. That tells me that I will have 2 logs by the end of this. Now, in order to, the powers state that if it's multiplying, A and B are multiplying on each other. So if I expand it out, it's going to turn into addition. So I will have a log base 7 of A plus a log base 7 of B. Remember, they were multiplying each other. It's A times B up here, so it turns into addition when I expand it. And the last thing you have to consider is the power of 3 for this A and the power of 6 for that B. In this case, then, they get moved to the front of the log. So I'm going to rewrite it like this, A to the 3rd, B to the 6th. But to finalize this, the power rule states that they get moved to the front of the log when you're expanding. So my final answer is 3 log base 7a plus 6 log base 7b. And I'm done. It is very important that you memorize those log properties.